Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Aziz sir. Welcome everybody to my new class. In the next, again, I would like to tell something you about noun, that very noun, because there are some things which are very important for you, and if they are not clear to you properly, then I think you have to face some more problem. That's why I would like to clear the things which are very necessary for you. Actually, most of us think that which one will be set in the exam, or what will be come or available in the exam. Those things should be taught. But I think everybody is working with our syllabus, but I would like to make you learn what is necessary or what will help you a lot to go ahead, what will help you to correct yourself. Okay, that's why I would like to tell you about these things. Okay, let's enjoy the things which are written on the board. Okay, so that I have written again countable and uncountable now. How can we think that one word is countable, or how can we make it uncountable? See that fire. I have given you some examples. Fire is uncountable now, but while you will add any measuring word before that uncountable noun, then it will be countable. Okay, so that fire is countable, but a fire. Suppose there is fire in our locality, then it will be uncountable. But there is fire in our locality, then it will be countable. In the same way, whenever you will think about war, then it will be uncountable. But if we think about the work of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, our father of the nation, and if we think about the works of Kazi Nazrul Islam, works of Shakespeare, in this way we can think about the works, then it will be countable. Time is uncountable, but if you add any article or adjective before that time, then it will be countable. Suppose time is very necessary for you. You should utilize your time, then that time will be uncountable. But you have a good time. If I tell you have a good time or have a good time, every now and then we tell, then it will be countable. Year is uncountable, but when year will be added before year, then it will be countable. In this way, experience. Suppose you have experience, it is uncountable, but you have a past experience, or you have an experience of the happenings of an accident, then it will be countable. In this way, knowledge and past knowledge, mercy, a mercy, danger, a danger, decision, a decision. Okay, in this way you can make uncountable noun into countable. So you should know which one is countable and which one is uncountable, because those words will be used in the gap. Okay, whenever you will go to fill up any blank or gap, then those noun or those countable and uncountable noun will be used in that gap. So those things should be clear. Those things should be obvious before you. Okay. Now come to the next chart I have written. See that numeral or article, and then measuring word, and then preposition, that is of, and then uncountable noun. See that I have written many uncountable nouns here: bread, paper, clothes, and then land, sugar, butter, petrol, tea, water, furniture. Those are uncountable nouns. But how can you make those words countable and tellable? See that numeral or article, numeral whenever you will go to adjective, then there is a kind of adjective which is a numeral adjective, and that numeral adjective, suppose something like that, it may be article A or measuring word, that is a number 10, 3, those are the things which are numeral. Okay, and see the measuring word. Which are measuring word here? Slice, piece, meters, sheet, acres, kg, pound, gallon, cup, drop, pieces. And then that preposition which is written here, that or. That means in a word we can tell that whenever we will tell a slice of bread, then it will be, the whole phrase will be counted. Okay, suppose I can write it down in this way: a slice of bread. Okay, see that it is a phrase. It is a phrase, but it can be counted now. It can be counted. But when you will think about it alone, then it cannot be counted. That's why it is uncountable. But whenever you will add with preposition, with a measuring word or numeral word, then the whole phrase will be countable. Okay. So in this way you can make the words countable, which are uncountable actually. Okay. And I think in this way you can tell all of the phrases here: a piece of paper, 10 meters of cloth, a sheet of paper, 3 acres of land, 10 kg of sugar, a pound of butter, a gallon of petrol, a cup of tea, a drop of water, 10 pieces of furniture. Okay, and I think those should be clear. Let's see the another chart. And you know that every word which will be used in a sentence is parts of speech, but every parts of speech has different duties. They have functions. Okay, let's see what is the function of noun. Okay, see that the function of noun is somewhat different. Actually, how does the noun function in the sentence or work in the sentence? See that as a subject, subject of one. Noun is always does the work of a subject in the sentence. Suppose Rohim is a good boy. See that Rohim is a good boy. Here Rohim is subject. Okay, and then object of a verb. See that Rohim reads a book. Here, this a book is noun here. Okay, a book is noun. Here it is also noun. And then object of preposition. See the object of preposition. Rohim is fond of cricket. Okay, fond of cricket here. See that fond of is preposition and its object is cricket. So object of preposition, and then complement of object of verb. We made him. See that it is object here, and its object is captain. Okay, so this captain is complement of object of verb here, and then last of all complement of linking verb. See that Rohim seemed to be gentleman. Seemed to be gentleman. Seemed is here linking verb. Linking verb. You see that there are some terms which I have already written down. Suppose complement and linking verb. Those should be clear. Later on I will tell you about these things. Just try to understand actually what's the function of a noun. When you think about the function of a noun, then you have to see how they work in the sentence. See that the noun works in the sentence is a subject of verb and then object of verb and then object of preposition and then complement of object of verb and then complement of linking verb. Okay, you can give a screenshot and you can preserve this page if you think or if you wish. Now come to the position of noun. Okay, what is the position of noun? I will show you. And there is a link between function of noun and position of noun. Okay, there is a link between function of noun and position of noun. How or what is the position of a noun? See that a noun is used. A noun is used in the sentence, and where does the noun basically is used? See that a noun is used subject in the position of subject. Okay, where does a subject sit, or where is the subject used? See that a sentence has two parts unit. One is subject, another one is predicate. So noun can be used in the position of subject, and then object. And object, what is the basic structure of a sentence? I have already told you. The basic structure of a sentence is subject plus verb plus object. That means object, in the position of object, noun can be used, and then object of preposition, actually noun can be used. Okay, and you can tell that, or this question may come in your mind, sir, what is the difference between function of noun and position of noun? Actually the terms are same, but I am telling you the difference between function and position of noun. See that a noun is used in the position of subject, and by using or by sitting in the position of subject, and then that noun does the work of that function of that subject. Okay, by sitting or by using or using in the position of a noun, it does its work, it does its function. Okay, in this way it can be used complement of object and then apposition. Do you know what is apposition? Apposition means something like that, someone calling or naming or something like that, Mr. Karamat Ali, principal of our college, is a good man. See that Mr. Karamat Ali is the name of a person, and his rank is principal, or his post is principal. But I have told you Mr. Karamat Ali by using comma and then principal of our college. That type of word is called apposition. Apposition means to sit two words together by using comma. Then you can tell it is apposition. Okay, and then after article. Okay, noun can be used after article. Suppose this is our school, or it is a dog, or it's a lion, it's a tiger. Okay, in this way, after article, noun can be used. Okay, and I think you have understood actually what is the difference between the function of noun and the position of noun. When any noun will be used in the position of subject, and by sitting or by the in the place of subject, by using the noun, a noun can does the function of its. Okay, in this way we can differentiate between the function of noun and position of noun. Okay, let's see the next part. And see that I have written down another chart, and formation of noun. Okay, what is formation of noun? How can a noun be formed? Okay, see that after the noun, which part of the word is added. Okay, those are actually called suffix. What is suffix? Actually, the parts of a word which are added at the end of any word or part of a word and then make a new word, then it will be called suffix. Okay, nest, dog, meant, Sean, and double S-I-O-N, Sean, and O, ear, I, ear, nice, and logi, and th, and ity. Those are the parts of words which are added at the end of noun. Okay, so how can we identify a noun? If we see a nest at the end of any word, then we can think that it is noun. Okay, so see that nest, suppose kindness, usefulness, it is a noun, and dog, freedom, and then meant, improvement, Sean, education, and Sean, decision, and it's also shown admission, or act, and taker, and ear, suppose something like the giver, you can tell giver, and then okay, purifier, and then ce, negligence, and logic, and suppose psychology, th, 10th, 15th, and ity, suppose capability. Okay, those are the things which are added at the end of noun. So when we will see those suffix at the end of any word, then we will think that it is noun. Okay, so in this way we can identify the nouns. Okay, what we have already told today, see that first of all I have told you that how you can make countable from uncountable, and then I have already told you how you can make a phrase by the help of uncountable noun, and then I have told you the position of noun and function of noun, and at last I have told you about the formation of noun. Okay, those things should be clear first of all, and if you try to follow this or try to clear this, then the more you will go ahead upper classes, then you will face no problem. Okay, and I think this is all